Hi everyone, welcome to Tech by Finance. In this video, I will show you how to add money to your Airtm account using e-wallets such as PayPal, Perfect Money, WebMoney, Skrill, and many more. You can also follow these very same steps if you want to fund your account using a bank account or WebMoney. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to be using WebMoney and Perfect Money as an example, but you can follow these very same steps regardless of the payment method you'll be using to deposit money into your Airtm account. So in order to add money to your Airtm account, all what you need to do is to log in your account and come over here where it says add and press on it. Then you are going to see that down here that payment methods which you can select from. So I'm going to be depositing using Perfect Money. I'll just need to press on Perfect Money, or you can just come in the search bar and search for the payment method you are going to be using. So for me, I'll be using Perfect Money for this transaction. So I just need to press on it. Then you just need to enter the amount. So I'll be depositing 4.5 and then I'll be receiving 4.29. Like it's about 21 cents in commission. Then you need to come down here and press on continue. But before that, if you are depositing for the very first time into your Airtm account using Perfect Money, it's going to bring you to a page where you have to enter your payment information. So you have to make sure that you enter your account details. But for me, since I already have got the account registered on my account, I will just go ahead and press continue. Then you can see this is my Perfect Money account where I'm going to be withdrawing money from depositing into my Airtm account. So you just have to make sure that the account there is correct for verification purposes. And I will be sending 4.5. So I just need to submit a request, then a peer will be able to accept the request. That way we'll be able to complete the transaction. So I'll just press submit request. So after submitting your request, you are going to wait for a few minutes for a peer to accept your transaction. Once a peer accepts it, then we will go ahead and transfer the money to our peer. Then the peer will be able to release the money onto our Airtm account. So after waiting for about 2 minutes, someone has finally accepted the transaction. Maybe just a disclaimer here, sometimes it can take a bit longer depending on the payment method you are using. So all what I need to do now is to transfer the money to the peer. So when you come down here, you can see that this is the person who has accepted my transaction. You just need to come and press on where it says I understand. Then you'll be given this payment details. So you can see that we'll be transferring 4.5 to this person, and this is their Perfect Money account. So you just need to copy their Perfect Money account and then go to your Perfect Money account and send money to this account. After that, you just need to come and press confirm send. Then the person on the other end will be able to release the money into your Airtm account. So I will come to my Perfect Money account and just come here where it says send money, or you can just come over this account. I'm using this account and press on send money. So you just need to enter the amount here. You can come here and see that the amount we are required to send is 4/5. So you just need to enter this very same amount. You just have to make sure that it is exact. So I'll be sending 4.5. Then you enter the account, the one which you copied from your Airtm account. So just need to paste it in here. Then for the description, you can even just leave it empty. You don't have to write anything from there. Then you just need to come and press on where it says preview payment. You can see under preview here that this is the account we are sending money to. It belongs to Lion. If you come here, you can see like this is the very same person. Then I just need to enter the confirmation code to confirm the transaction with Perfect Money. And press continue. So you can see over here that the transaction has been completed successfully. The money has been sent to our peer. All what you need to do is to copy the reference code, this one here, and then come to your Airtm account and paste it on confirmation reference. Then you just click this one and press confirm send. So regardless of the payment method you are using to add money to your Airtm account, you need to follow these very same steps. You have to make sure that you copy the reference ID after sending the money and come and confirm here that you have sent the money. That way your peer will be notified that the money has been sent. Then they'll be able to release the money. Finally, you can see that the transaction has been completed. We have received a message from Airtm saying that the transaction is complete. And if you come under activity, you will see that I have received $4.29 from Lion. So the transaction has been completed. We have been able to add money to our account. We only add $1, now we have got $5 on our account. So this is how you add money using Perfect Money to your WebMoney account. At the beginning of this video, I said that I'm going to be giving you 2 examples. So I will go ahead and show you how to add money to your account using WebMoney. So you also just need to come and press on where it says add. Then you can see WebMoney is there, but if it's not there, you can just search for it in the search bar. So when you come in the search bar and search for WebMoney, it will come up. You just need to press on it. Then you do the same. You just need to enter the amount here. So I'll be depositing 4.9. So I will go ahead. You just need to come down here and press on where it says continue. Then you can see over here that this is the WebMoney account number where I'm going to be sending money from. Like I'll be sending money from this account to a peer. So you have to make sure that the account there is correct. So if I come to my WebMoney account, you can see that this is the very same account number where I'm going to be withdrawing money from. So I'll be withdrawing money from this account and to my Airtm account. So I just need to come and press on where it says submit request. Then I just need to wait for a peer to accept the request. That way I'll be able to send money to them. Then they are going to confirm. Then Airtm is going to release the money into my Airtm account. So you can see over here that in just less than 1 minute, someone has accepted the transaction. So I just need to come here and press on where it says I understand. So I need to send 4.90 to this person here. This is his WebMoney account. So I just need to copy it and then go to my WebMoney account and transfer this money to this person. Once this person receives the money, they'll be able to confirm on Airtm. Then the money will be moved into my Airtm account. So I just need to come here and copy this account number. Then proceed to my WebMoney account. So in WebMoney, you just need to come and press on where it says transfer. Then you press to a paste. Then you enter the account, the one which you copied from your Airtm account. So just need to paste it in here. Then you need to enter the amount here. So you just need to come to your Airtm account. You can see that I need to send 4.90. So I'll just come here and enter 4.9. You need to write something under note. So maybe you can just say to a friend or anything you want to write. Then under transfer type, you just need to leave it normal, but if you want, you can use a protection code. Then I'll come and press on next. Then on here, you just need to confirm. You have to make sure that the account you are sending money to is correct. If everything is correct, then you just need to come and press on next again. Then after that, you need to enter the confirmation code. So immediately after entering the confirmation code, you can see over here that the balance has reduced. So you just need to come over here and then you press on history. You can see that 4.90 was sent. So you just need to press on this transaction. Then you just need to copy the transaction ID, just like the way we did for Perfect Money. Then you are supposed to come to your Airtm account and confirm. Fortunately, you can see that our peer has already approved the request, and you can see over here that I only had $0. Now I have got about 5.18. So the money has been added into my account. And if you come under activity, you will find that 4.56 was just added to my Airtm account. So this is how you add money to your Airtm account. So regardless of the payment method you are using to add money to your account, whether you are depositing from a bank account, mobile money, or any other e-wallet besides the one we have talked about in this video, you can still be able to add money to your account by following the very same steps that I have shown you in this video. If this video has been helpful to you, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this one in the future from me, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next video.